I'm putting so many hours, so many stress, so many sacrifices into this, but still every day I wake up and choose to do this. Why is that? If you look at every single story of a great entrepreneur who have reached great success in their life, they have made more failures than successes. They have learned so many things from the failures that they've made in the past that they now can tell and can share their successes. And you, or sometimes even me, are looking at all of those great entrepreneurs looking on the Instagram or whatever with their Lamborghinis and with their successes, and you're like sitting on your desk at home like, why is this happening to me, and why can't I have those luck and whatever. But just remember that you're on the right path. You just need to keep solving all of those problems, keep doing all of those crazy stupid stuff which doesn't even make sense sometimes, but that's the way to success.
I'm going to start a journey. I am seeing a goal which I'm living for. I will die for my shit. I will die for my future and for the things I'm doing. I want to make sure that when I'm going and when I'm leaving this world, that I gained and created the most out of myself. And not only for myself, because when I die, the only thing you left behind is not only money, is not things, but it's like experience and what you did for other people. And I think there is some sort of force in myself, some burning desire, and something which says to me that I want to make impact. And I always told myself that I want to make impact once I created wealth, or once but I think the biggest inspiration can be when you start your journey like this, and show the man and the young boy you are right now, and to see the whole journey to creating real wealth and creating something which is bigger than you can ever imagine.
I've created certain videos on my channel where I talk about the journey that I'm beginning on, and I want to share the good part, but also the bad part, you know? For example, today was a very bad day, but tomorrow I will wake up and do the same shit, you know? And I hope by sharing this that I can give you the insight to be and stay on this path, but just for me as well, I hope in a few years we will see that all of this made sense.
So as you can see right over here, the time is there. I'm leaving Amsterdam. This beautiful view, the skyline from the apartment is one of the last moments that I can take that view. Of course, I have a very beautiful place right over here, but there is a really exciting time ahead of me. It was the first time living on myself. Leaving my parents' house. I look back at a year of insane growth. Everything is going quietly fast. If I'm looking at the things and the goals that I had 12 months ago, I would never thought that I would leave this apartment already within actually a year. I not only look back at a good year, but I'm also looking forward to a even more excited year. I'm kind of in the flow. I've built a lot of systems and a lot of preparations this year with the company, with the new web shop, of course. A lot of things that are now ready to explode in 2023. So next year will not be like this year. Next year will be more focusing on growing all of the things that I have right now. I will bring you in this channel very personal wise in all of the things and the whole process behind it. I'm going to do more vlogging. I'm going to bring you with the process, with all of the things, etc. Within 2 days, we're officially leaving this apartment. Then I will be with my family for 10 days or so during Christmas. After that, I will leave the Netherlands and go to Dubai first. After that, I will go to Bali. From there, I will just go with the flow, but really isolate myself to get the best out of the year, out of myself. It's not just a few goals that I'm setting like everyone is doing during New Year's Eve, etc. Something I really thought about for a long time. I'm building the systems, building and preparing everything right now to go to the extreme. And yeah, it's gonna be it's gonna be a hell of a year. I'm really excited to look back on it, really excited to explore a lot more of the world, other people, but especially myself, of course, because I'm still very, very young, 21 years old, making good steps. I'm actually quietly proud of where I'm at. I'm not really thinking about that. I'm not looking back or really reflecting on the current situation in most times. More looking forward to achieve more, do more, etc. But yeah, actually I'm quite grateful for everything what's going on right now. But we're getting close to something to some stage that I can really say, all right, we're doing great stuff. So I'm ready to go to the extreme, to push myself to the extreme, try to get everything out of the upcoming year. I will bring you guys with me in the process. And for the now, I'm going to finish up everything right over here and of course show and share you some videos during the start of the year. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure to leave a like on this video, etc. We try to connect with you guys, so if you like it, appreciate what I'm making right over here, let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.